Okay, we're going to start off by going over the code, and then I'll show you the API in a window, and then I'll do some things with it with Postman. So starting off, we got our global class, and we added our mapper initializer, so just to start up our mapping profile, and then our API register, so we can register our API. We then start customer. So then we created customer DTO and movie DTO, which are basically the same as the customer and movie classes themselves, just slightly changed. These are used in the see if I can find it. Movie model. Yeah, it's not that important. But anyway, they're used in. It's not this one, is it? Here. Here they are. This is the customer's controller for your API. This is what you can do to your customer's database through your API. Same with your movie controller. Your mapping profile over here, which just creates a map for both the customer DTO and the movie DTO. That way it can provide a correctly formatted API. So that's done. Let's move over to the actual API. So here is the customer's API. You can see all required information is there, and it's easily retrievable, and you can get any of the individual records that you want. 730. Doesn't get it. No, it's mad at me. What have I done? Likewise, so I think I might have deleted 3. Anyway, now we'll go into Postman. Man, my brain is just frazzled today. As you can see, I've already pulled a get command from the API customers, all pictured down here, all the same information you saw on that customers page. Down here. You can get this works through that customer controller that we created. We have a get, post, put, and delete function right now. Just to show off all of them, we'll do a post. That's old. Let's pick someone random. This person. So we'll do Ryan Gosling. Let's just not take ID. Let's say he lives on Gosling Street. $234. Gosling Street. There we go. Los Angeles is fine. I mean, I could screw with this to the Goss24 at hotmail.com. Why not? Let's say he was born in October. Or wait, is it day, month, year? Yeah, no, that is right. October 30th. That all looks fine. Okay, so we're going to push this through. And now we have a Ryan Gosling in our database. We can go back to our get function, send it. See, Ryan Gosling right here. We can also directly pull Ryan Gosling if we want to. Everything working correctly. So let's change Ryan Gosling a little bit. Let's say he decided to move to Texas, probably Austin. Make no sense. And he realized that Hotmail is awful, so he's Gmail user now. And let's see, zip code would change too. Let's see, what's it? I don't even know what Texas zip codes are. That seems fair. Okay. Now, I actually do need the ID. In here, and I also need it up here so it knows where it's going. And you send that. Nothing down here. But you pull ID 12, and now all of our changes have taken place. Austin, Texas, new email address, new zip address, all that good stuff. And now let's delete Ryan Gosling. So this one's pretty easy. You don't really need to do much. Just target the one you want to delete and send. Get nothing down here. Post a get on it. It's not there. Let's just make sure it's not anywhere. Nope, Ryan Gosling does not exist, well, except for here, but this isn't actually in our database. This is just our typing window. I have everything in JSON, but I could view it in XML as well, but I decided to view it in JSON. And that is it.